animals. Hello, my name is Starfish. Let me introduce to you, my friends. Come with me. Starfish. Starfish. Oh, the turtle moves fast in the sea. Turtle. Turtle. A jellyfish has a see-through body. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. A squid had 10 legs. Squid. Squid. Oh, this is an octopus. An octopus has 8 legs. Octopus. Octopus. A shrimp has a bent body. Shrimp. Shrimp. A seahorse swims in an position. Seahorse. Seahorse. A clam has hard shells. Clam. Clam. Wow, the wings of a manta ray are really hug. Manta ray. Manta ray. A crab is walking sideways. Crab. Crab. A sea is joining the sunshine. Seal. Seal. A flying fish jumps in the air. Flying fish. Flying fish. Dolphins are very smart. Dolphin. Dolphin. When a whale breathes out, it spurts out water like a fountain. Whale. Whale. A shark has sharp teeth. Shark. Shark. Was this fun? Did you have fun meeting my friends? Next time, please introduce me to your friends. Bye bye. Review. Clam. Crab. Dolphin. Flying fish. Jellyfish. Manta ray. Octopus. Seahorse. Seal. Shark. Shrimp. Squid. Starfish. Turtle. Whale. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.